A trend line is just 2 points on a chart connected by a straight line. But how you draw it and what it tells you matters more than most beginners realize. Start with an uptrend. Find two higher lows, points where price bounced up. Connect them with a line rising left to right. That line becomes support. While price stays above it, buyers are in control. Now a downtrend. Find two lower highs, points where price rejected downward. Connect them with a line falling left to right. That line becomes resistance. While price stays below it, sellers are in control. Here's what most beginners get wrong. A trend line isn't valid with just 2 points. Wait for a third touch. A third time price respects that line before you trust it. Now, the moment that matters most, the breakout. When price finally closes above a downtrend line or below an uptrend line, that's often the first signal the trend is shifting. And here's the twist experienced traders watch for. Once broken, an old support line often flips into new resistance. An old resistance line often flips into new support. Price tests it again from the other side. So next time you draw a line on your chart, 2 points to start, a third to confirm, and watch closely for the flip when it finally breaks.